Hey guys, it's HC13 here. I am sorry that I hadn't uploaded in a while, but I'm gonna start uploading soon. More vlogs. I'm probably gonna get a mic for my phone that have better audio. Hit a thumbs up for that. I'm probably gonna get it soon. Don't know. So just hit the thumbs up if you're excited. And I am going camping again. See? Outdoors. I'm going camping again. It's crazy. And I'm just saying I'm back. Sorry I hadn't posted in a while. I was busy. And yeah. If you're ready for more vlogs, hit the like button. If you're excited probably for a microphone for better audio, hit the like button. And yeah, I'm back. Peace.